Hey everyone, Brandon here. So today we're doing another video on the Sodastream. It's not necessarily the Sodastream in general, mainly carbonated water, seltzer water, water that is carbonated in general. I'm going to show you my recipe on lemonade with no sugar. So let's get into it. Alright, first off, for me it was so hard to find the perfect combination of how much lemon I needed. Understand this is a lemon-lime mixture. I buy a whole bag of lemons, a whole bag of limes, like I said. Press it all and put it in here, just mix it together. I always shake first, but I found the perfect measurement for me was 2 tablespoons. And on here, it's measured perfectly fine. Just like that. So take your lemon-lime juice. Hopefully it's fresh press. You're going to find that fresh press is way better. Going to put that in. Now for your stevia, depending on what you have. If you have the sweet leaf, I like shaking it up. About 5 or 10 seconds. Nothing too major. Getting a squirt like that, which is 1 milliliter supposedly. Put that all in. Go in, get another one, but this time only put 5 drops in. That was 6, but I want a little sweeter today. Alright, next thing you're going to use, Sodastream, or whatever carbonation device you have. Just wash this bad boy. And if you're wondering how you wash a Sodastream, I'll leave a card up here and a link in the description for that. Bob it on. Do whatever you want. I usually do 4 to 5 for lemonade. Usually 4. I don't like to have their super strong carbonation, but 3 or 4 is usually the best. Alright, you're just going to let that sit for a good 15 seconds. Does look like I need to wash my bottles. They're looking kind of gross. So, yeah, leave it for about 15 seconds or so. You are still going to get a little buildup. I've learned if you keep it on here for about 2 or 3 minutes, all the carbonation is actually gone, and usually you can take it out no problem. I just like to speed up the process a little bit. We're going to do that. We're going to wait until it dies down. Do it again. And voila. You got a nice fresh lemonade. Now you might be wondering how much pulp is in there. You can actually see how much there is. And there's not much. You're not going to, it's not like pulp from the orange juice. If you ever have orange juice with all the pulp, nothing like that. Very little. And most of it's actually going to fall to the bottom for the end part that you're going to have. I'll drink 1 of these a day. And it's so good, so refreshing. It has a perfect sweetness to it to make it like, so it's not not super tart, but it has enough lemon in it to just give it a little refreshing kick to you. Really good for your body too. You're getting your hydration. You're gonna help your kidneys out. You're going to help out a lot of things. They say weight loss. I don't know if that's true or not. But, you know, if you drink 1 or 2 of these a day, you're going to be feeling pretty good. You're going to feel nice and hydrated. You're going to get rid of that sugar kick that you have and go to stevia. I do want to try monk fruit one day. Maybe I will someday soon. Who knows? But right now, I'm just on stevia. And we're going to do another lemonade that I love to have. It's a little bit different, and maybe it's just for me, but I think it adds a little variety to your lemonade per se. The only difference is from this lemonade and something that you would get at like a carnival or I don't know, a fair or something like that, is that you're not going to get the viscosity of those types of drinks. This is like just water, where something from a carnivore or fair or something, you know, that you make with sugar or fructose corn syrup. It's going to have a thicker viscosity, so you do have to get through that boundary. But once you do, it's just so tasty. Other than that, if you'd like to see more recipe videos on the Sodastream, I'm starting to try to come out with different ones altogether. So make sure you leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to keep bringing these videos out. Other than that, if you have a Sodastream or any kind of carbonation, stay hydrated, fizz it up, and I'll see you next time. So take care of yourself, take it easy. If you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, and bye-bye for now.